Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I am Amanda and I'm so happy you're here. Today's video is going to be a Walmart fall haul, and you guys know, if you're not new, that I love Walmart. Lately I have been very into Walmart's brand Free Assembly, so most of the things you're going to see in this video are from Free Assembly, along with a couple of things from Scoop, and I believe one thing from Time and True, or a couple of things from Time and True. All the quality from everything in this video is extremely amazing, so I highly recommend everything that I've purchased. I will be linking everything down below if you want to pick anything up. These things are already selling out, so if you love something, definitely don't sleep on it. Go down to the link and pick it up. Also, thank you in advance for shopping my links. I do get a small commission. It doesn't cost you any extra. It just helps support my family, so thank you guys in advance for shopping those. And let's just hop on into the video. Alright, you guys, so for this first outfit, it's kind of cloudy and like foggy out today, if you guys can see outside. So I'm using my ring light, so it's not as natural of light as I normally use, but I think it's picking up pretty good on camera. The thing with black on camera is it doesn't pick up the detail, so I'm really hoping that this light will help me out here. But I saw this jumper on their website, and at first I wasn't sure if it would look good on me. I have a very long torso, and I don't know, like sometimes I look kind of square and boxy in jumpsuits, but I love this one. I got it in black. They had it in, I believe, 2 other colors. They had it in like an olive green, which was so pretty, and I almost got that one, but then it felt kind of, I don't know, it didn't really feel like me. I love black so much, and so I went ahead and got the black one. I love this. I'm just pairing it with these they're like super old boots. I don't remember where I got them. They're so old, but they're so good. They've lasted forever. I feel like I probably got them from Target, but I will try to find some dupes for you guys if you did want to pick up this boot. It's kind of reminds me of like a Chelsea boot kind of, but it's not as like chunky, I guess. But I thought this would be so cute for an all black outfit. I am so obsessed. So it has button detail. It goes all the way down, like to your crotch. It goes all the way down. And then it has this cinched waist, and you can tie it right here. It's so good. I did get a large. Like I said, I have a long torso, and it literally fits perfect. I feel like I could bend down, I can sit down, and it doesn't like ride up in any place. It's not uncomfortable. The quality is really good. I do feel like it might wrinkle a little bit only because of the material. It's kind of like a linen, but it has pockets, which is another score. Us girls love our pockets. And this is from the line Free Assembly. As I mentioned in the beginning, all of their stuff right now is just so good. It's so good. I love it. And so this did not disappoint. I love it. Also for height reference, I am 5'4". They're just above my, as I pull my leg up, it goes higher. They fall just above my ankle, so keep that in mind for my tall gals. These will be a little short on you. I do feel like you could roll them and like create a new look if you wanted to, but I'm actually surprised that they're not too long. I opened them and I was kind of worried that they're going to be too big on me. That's just normally the luck that I have with like bodysuits and stuff. So short gals, it is our lucky day because these are not too long and they fit perfect. One thing I love about this is I love that there's like the cinched waist, because I do feel like bodysuits tend to swallow me up. So I love that we're able to kind of customize it to fit our body. I do feel like this would also be a really great outfit for work when we go back to work, for the office. It seems very like professional. The neckline, there is a collared neckline here. The neckline is very good. It's like a collared neckline, so it's extremely professional for work when we go back to work. I love this. This would also be extremely cute with a cardigan over the top. You could go with a black cardigan. Also, as far as like shoes go, I feel like you could easily wear any shoes with this because it's black, and black goes with everything, which is why I love black. I feel like you could even do like white boots with it and kind of make the boots more of like a statement piece if you wanted to. There's just so many options with something like this. Okay, I'm really loving this outfit. For one, this sweater, you guys need it. It is so soft. I love where the sleeves hit. I love this like collared neckline. This style is very in right now. It's so cute. It's just so soft and cozy. It's not cropped. You could pull it out, but I like tucked it perfectly into the skirt. So it's not cropped, but it's not super long. I got this in a size medium because I didn't want it to be too oversized. I kind of wanted it to be more like form-fitting to wear it for outfits such as this one. This skirt is so, so cute. It has the button detail all the way to the top. It has a little bit of stretch, but not too much, and I love these lines that go right down the middle. The skirt is a little on the short side, if I'm being completely honest. I would probably wear it with leggings or tights just because if I bend over, I feel like it might show London and France and underpants. So love it. But I'm pairing it with these combat boots. These are actually from Target. I love them. They're very, I call them edgy. I don't know why. I just like that word a lot. They're very edgy to me. And they're just extremely comfortable. They have memory foam. They also come in a brown color, and I can go ahead and link these down below for you guys if you want to pick them up. I'm sure Walmart has a pair of combat boots that are extremely similar to these ones, so I will go ahead and try to find those, link them down below for you guys if you want to shop in one place, which I often like to do because it just kind of makes things easier sometimes versus placing multiple orders. So I'll go ahead and do that, but love this. This is so good for areas where it's not like too cold yet. California, my California girls, where are you at? I know it's a very, very warm in California still, so this would be a very great outfit for that. Also, I just love the kind of edgy look that the boots add to it. This sweater can be worn so many different ways with so many different outfits. This was just one outfit that I kind of threw together that I thought was super, super cute, so I wanted to share with you guys. Okay, I wanted to share another outfit with this skirt just because it's so versatile with it being black. It's so cute. I'm wearing it with this bodysuit from Free Assembly as well. One thing I love about this bodysuit is it has 2 rows of buttons. So if you're longo torso, so if you have a longer torso like myself, you can use the buttons in the front row. If you have a shorter torso, you can use the buttons in the back row, and it will just give you like some extra space so it's not super tight. Which I wish I would have done that before I bought it because I probably would have got a size down. It's kind of loose in the neckline here, but I love it. It's so cute. Another thing, you guys are going to hate me because this sold out. I'm so sorry, you guys, but it could come back into stock. This is from Time and True. So they do restock often, so fingers crossed that they restock. But I love this cardigan so much. It's so big, and I love the sleeves. They're just so cozy. This is definitely going to be a staple that I wear throughout fall and years to come. The material is amazing. I know it'll last a few years, which is something that I also really love about it. But so cute. I love this outfit. Okay, so this next one is the cutest oversized sweater. I love the high turtleneck neckline. There is this like seam that comes down the middle, which is extremely flattering. It kind of like has this dip action. It is good for leggings. The booty is covered, and I love how the sleeves don't go all the way down, like they're not rolled. This is just as far as they go down, and I really like it. I think it's so unique and so cute. It's kind of more flattering too, because it's not like eating you up in the arms. I mean, there's definitely room in like the stomach area, but I love it. It's so good. This would be so cute with your hair like pulled back in a little bun too. I just don't have any hair ties nearby, so my hair is just down. But I'm pairing it with my Spanx leather leggings. I feel like this like sweater is really, really cute with the pleather look. And then just the same edgy boots that I've been wearing with like the past outfits. So they're so versatile and they go with everything. So 100% recommend. For this is Time and True. The sweater is Time and True, and I got it in a small because it is so oversized. I didn't want it to swallow me. I normally get mediums or larges in sweaters. Sometimes extra large if I want it to be really, really oversized. But this one is already huge on its own, as you can tell. It kind of fits more like a large. So keep that in mind when you purchase. Extremely affordable. Got it in a size small. So extra small would be good too. It comes in lots of colors as well. Okay, I love this outfit. I guess I'm wearing black shoes with everything today. Black is just calling my name. It's going with every outfit. So bear with me. These are the boots from the first one, the like Chelsea looking boots, not the combat boots I've been wearing. But I will try to find dupes for these ones because they are extremely old and I don't remember where. Actually, I got them from H&M. It's all come back to me. I got them like 2018 H&M. They're amazing, but I can guarantee you H&M doesn't have them anymore. But this skirt isn't super new, but it is from Free Assembly, and it is still available, and it also comes in black and a really beautiful rust color, and then this like tan color, but I paired it with the sweetest. It's such a sweet sweater. This is from Free Assembly. It's so soft, like so amazingly soft, you guys. I love the sleeve detail, how it kind of like bunches a little bit, and then it's like tighter on the arms. It's really great. You can roll it up because it does have that like elastic kind of around the arm, but it's not too tight or anything. It's such a soft sweater. When I unboxed it or unbagged it, it was so soft that I was like, oh, I want to put this on right now. It's so nice. So I would definitely pick this up in more colors. It's such a good find. I believe it was around like $20, so it's extremely affordable. I got it in, I believe it's called the artichoke color, but it's pretty much like a darker olive green, which is so good for fall. It's so cozy too, and it's not too heavy of a sweater. Just perfect. I love it. For the skirt, I forgot to mention, I would recommend sizing down. I got it in a large, and it's like really baggy, and it's like super long. I don't mind the length of it. However, it's just, it needs to be like taken in a little bit. I just feel like it's kind of like too loose, especially when you're wearing like a baggy sweater. I feel like it like looks kind of weird because it's kind of too loose, but keep that in mind when you purchase. And it has like this elastic waistband, so there's room to grow. So keep that in mind when you're purchasing. Don't size up. It's like a corduroy material. You guys can kind of see. It's like a corduroy material, so in my mind I thought that it didn't stretch. However, it stretches and it's very comfortable. Size down. Okay, so these sweaters have been so trendy, but the ones that I've been seeing, they're so expensive. And I'm like, I'm not gonna spend, 50 bucks on a sweater that I could get for like 20 somewhere else. And so on Walmart's website, they had the perfect little sweater. They have it in multiple colors. They have it in like a really pretty brown, a tan, the black. I think that's all, but I love the collar on this. The buttons are functional and they go all the way down. So if you want to wear like a white top underneath, you absolutely could. It's a really great, like thicker material. I absolutely love it. And it's like speckled throughout with like little tan speckles, which I think is kind of a cute touch. It's definitely a designer dupe for sure. Not designer, I mean, it's just like a more expensive brand name dupe for less. I'm just pairing it with some basic jeans and my favorite combat boots, just for a kind of fun, casual outfit. I feel like you could wear this anywhere. I don't think you need it to be fall. You can wear this all year round. Obviously not when it's like super hot outside, because you will definitely overheat in the sweater, but this would be really, really fun to wear with like a skirt too. I think it would be extremely cute with a skirt, just because it has, like, the sweater details are enough in its own. I just think it's so sweet. It's just the sweetest little sweater. I love it. Okay, so for this one, this sweater is so amazing. It's a tunic, so it's a little bit longer, which I love tunics because you can wear them so many different ways. You can wear them with leggings, you can wear them with jeans like how I'm wearing. This is from Free Assembly. It's amazing. I love it. The quality is really good. It's not too soft, but it's not itchy or anything. And I love how oversized the turtleneck is. It's so cute. I love it. And then I'm just pairing it with some jeans. Since it's like a long tunic, it's so flattering as far as like, I don't know, like I feel like, the sweaters that you feel like you can eat all the pasta and all the bread. This is definitely one of them because it is not like too big, but it like hides the tightness in your belly, so it's so cute. But I just have these paired with, these jeans are from Walmart. I will link them. I believe they're still available. I've had them for so long, but they always bring them back because they're like the true like classic jean. And then I'm pairing them with these. I love these. These are so great for fall. They are the snake booties from the Scoop brand, and they have memory foam. The heel's not too high, and I love the pointed toe. They're so classy. I'm obsessed. I've talked about these in a few of my past videos because they're so good and they never go out of style. They also have them in more of a white color if you would prefer to get them more white. I like cream because I have more cream than white, so. Okay, then also, last but certainly not least, most certainly, oh my gosh. So this, I'm obsessed with this Peacoat. It feels amazing. It's so soft. It feels like it's real wool. It is obviously not because it's Walmart, but so cozy. It is lined inside, which is a big plus. The pockets work. I just love this jacket. I did get this in a medium because I didn't want it to be too oversized. And I will be styling this for you guys over on my Instagram. Because, I mean, I love it with this. This can go with anything. I love pairing grays with browns. But I'm running late for a pumpkin patch date, so I need to go get dressed and get ready for that. So I will be pairing this with other things in the future. Go follow me over on Instagram. It's just Amanda Claypool. No underscores, no nothing, just Amanda Claypool. And you can follow me over there for how I styled this. Again, got it in a size medium. I love it. It is a little tight, but I feel like if I broke it in, it wouldn't be as, like, stiff. But it's brand new, so. But I absolutely love it. It was more pricey than, like, normal things would be from Walmart, but the quality is so good, you guys, that I highly recommend if you're looking for a gray Peacoat that you splurge a little bit and get it. I also love the back detail. It has, like, a little slit, which I think is just so classy and cute. This would be so cute with, like, a brown beanie or a black beanie. I just love it. Love this jacket. So I'll be styling this for you guys over on my Instagram. Go check me out over there. Give me a follow. Let me know you're from YouTube. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this Walmart fall haul. For more, please subscribe. My next video that I have coming up, I'm really excited about it. It is going to be like a fall Shein basics. I love Shein. I have lots of videos from them, so definitely check out those past videos. But I'm really excited for that video coming up. I just placed the order a couple days ago, so it might take a little over a week to get to me, but definitely subscribe for that one. You won't want to miss it. If you are unfamiliar with Shein, basically all the things are very, like, on style, on trend, and they're all for an extremely amazing price. So if you're balling on a budget, you can definitely afford these things. But again, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.